In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of your transaction history on Cash App and what your options are if you want to delete your past transactions. First, open the Cash App and tap the clock icon in the bottom right corner to go to your activity page. This is where you can see every transaction you've ever made, including payments, deposits, withdrawals, and Bitcoin activity. If you scroll through this list, you'll notice that there isn't a way to delete individual transactions directly from the app. Cash App doesn't allow you to remove specific payments or transfers for security and record-keeping reasons, so each transaction stays permanently in your history. However, if you really need to clear all your transactions, there is a workaround, and that is closing your Cash App account entirely and starting fresh with a new one. Before doing this, you need to make sure your account balance is completely zero. That means cashing out any money, selling or transferring any stocks, and sending or withdrawing any Bitcoin you have. You want to make sure that everything is cleared, because Cash App will not allow you to close the account if there are any remaining funds. Once your balances are all cleared, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the app, scroll down, and go to Support. From there, tap on Something Else, scroll down again, and select Account Settings. At the bottom of this page, you will see the option to Close your Cash App account. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to close your account permanently. After that, you can create a new Cash App account, which will give you a completely clean slate with no transaction history. Keep in mind, closing your account will deactivate your Cash Card, and if you had a Bitcoin address, you will need to set up a new one in your new account. This is the only way to effectively remove all your past transactions because Cash App does not allow deleting individual entries. Taking these steps will give you a fresh start and a completely clean activity tab in your new account.